Guys, Jeff King here, and in today's video we'll be talking about my favorite drift car. And this drift car is personally, well, in my opinion, my favorite. I'll be doing some gameplay on it very soon. It's a really good drift car. It's got, like, when you put the setup to drift, it's just amazing. And it's just, everything's there. It's so easy to drift, and it's just really good. And we'll just do some gameplay now. So I might buy a new map because let's buy this one. I haven't drifted on this one yet. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how well this car drifts. If you guys do enjoy this video, please like and hit the subscribe button. Oh god. Oh, there was a bit of a fell off on me. Let's try it again. So, me, I don't really use the brake. I only like tap it just to get me on track in it. My setup that I've put on this, I think it's either good for drifting or it ain't, but for me, I really... I really like this drift car. It's a really good drift car. You guys should try it out, but it's not really a beginner's drift car because when you start up, it's really hard to get this car. I think it's, I don't know, I have to check after this. I think it's like 600,500 or something. So it's not really money for like beginners. Like beginners, they probably need the car next to the Mazda, the car next to the first starter car. No, again, damn it. I'm really liking this new screen recorder. It's really good because the other one I was using, like, I don't like having the videos of it when I was using it. It wasn't very good because every time the frame rate for the video, it wasn't like catching up with the frame rate of the game because it's such high graphics and high frame rate. So that's why I was using this one. And yeah. I'll watch the video, I'll watch both. Okay, so let's quickly go log. So it was, you know what? It must have been 5,000 or 500,000 to buy this. If you didn't hear, I went from the M5 to this car, and then from this car I went to I started using that car. GD. They all have customizations. It's just the art to re-sign in because it wouldn't load up on phone, but now it's good now, and it wouldn't load up, so I had to just re-download it. And I thought I lost everything, but I hadn't, because I was like, oh no, I lost everything. But if you go back to your setup and you go back to your drift, and then everything's there. I'm hoping they add deep dish wheels because I'm really liking this game, and I'm gonna make a lot of videos on this. I'm really liking. Like, they should have deep dish, like the student drift cars. I might save it for the secret. It's gonna be sick. Yeah, apparently, according to some people that I know, the header is really sick. Yeah, so oh crap, let's do. Oh, bless me. Okay, let's go back to the. Oh man, how's it going? It's exhausting. I was going to either set for that car or this one. Yeah. So beginners cars, I recommend the Horizon GD4. That's after you save. I think it's just that's $35,000. And these two, I went from the M5 to the Roku to the Horizon GD4, and then I saved up all the way to, because there was a ×2, I think. ×2, yeah. Saved it all the way to the Wellington. So I went from that to the Wellington. I'm not. I should have really gone from that, the blue GD4, to either like the Holden or because the ×0 I could have got it faster, but that's just me. And then I went from the Wellington. I just usually I usually just drift in the Wellington. So yeah. And if you guys don't know, you can come here, and you guys can go free cash and watch your guys' videos. And that's how I get that many 264 coins up in the right hand corner. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.